Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a twist out tutorial, and I've actually done twist out tutorial on this channel before, but today I'm using new products, which is really exciting. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. This is a continuation from the wash day video that I uploaded before this, so I'll leave it in the iCards. Be sure to check it out. At the moment I just have my hair in 4 sections, and there's just leave-in conditioner in it just to keep it moist. And I'm supposed to be FaceTiming a friend in about 30 minutes, so if you see me talking in this video, that's why. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started with this twist out tutorial. So this video is basically a twist out tutorial slash product review because I'm using brand new products. So I did some research on some products that I thought I might want to try, and I stumbled across this one video. I'll put it here if I remember. And she used this combo of hair products, and I was like, her curls were bobbing. So the first product that she used was by no one other than Curls, and it is the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. These are also significantly above my price range. I try to keep my natural hair products cheap, but I'm running out of stuff, and I figured why not splurge a little bit on my hair. I think she kind of used it as a moisturizer. So yeah, it says effortless, frizz-free curls. Very excited to try this. It just says to apply as normal. It says great prepping product to apply before styling, twisting, braiding, or creating updos. I took a little whiff of this when I got home from the hair store the other day. This smells unbelievable. Like, I feel like it smells like a Jolly Rancher. It's literally insane. It smells amazing. So this is the first product that I picked up. If I can remember the price, I'll put it here too. The next product that I got, this, wow, this was pricey, but this is the Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter in Sweet Almond Milk and Honey. So yeah, this is it's just best to use with a leave-in conditioner, and it's for beautiful twist outs. Style while damp, let sit overnight. So yeah, also took a whiff of this when I got home from the store. And this is, oh my god, this smells like vanilla frosting. Considering I typically, like I said, I use really cheap products. They smell fine, but like this is giving luxury. This is giving money. So excited to try this. Oh my god, this smells so good. So good. So I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair. This isn't gonna be much of a tutorial, more of a product review slash demo, but let's go ahead and get started with my twist out. Also, I washed that clip back and my lips are so dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize them so I don't have to watch that. But yes, so as for other things other than the styling products, I just have my comb, water, and grease. Oh, I forgot my other comb. 1 second. This comb that I got on Amazon, it's one of those, I think it's like a knockoff of the Feather Mitten. Girl, I don't know. I don't really know one things, but it's one of those brushes. We're gonna alternate between the two. I have that in a spray bottle, so I'm just going to go ahead and I'm gonna start with the back section. So the technique that I'm using, which is really not much of a technique, is the same as my previous twist out tutorial slash video. I will put it in the iCards like I promised, but this is the section freshly washed. Can you see that? So soft. I don't know what happened. I think I talked about this in my wash day video. I had such a good wash day. Like, that never, I mean, my wash days were never bad, but this was like exceptionally good, which was like really strange because I was expecting the worst because my hair has been like in a poof all week, low-key dry, but it was so good. It was such a good wash day. But anyways, I just parted my hair into 2 sections, and as I part and twist, I'm going to grease my scalp with the Do Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil and Sulfur-8 mixture. I love doing this, and honestly, I really do. I feel like a lot of these natural hair remedy for hair growth trend things are kind of gimmicky, but this one, I swear, low-key works. Y'all are too close, I'm sorry. Low-key works, and I feel like my hair has grown doing this. So I'm gonna probably just wet it a little bit more. It's still pretty damp from my conditioner. And then I'm going to grab a brush, comb, just lightly detangle. I feel like I should zoom you in. There. Okay, so I'm gonna apply a little. This is expensive, so we're gonna be gingerly. I'm gonna apply that much. It smells so good. I really am trying to describe it. It smells like a blueberry popsicle that I had when I was a kid. I don't know what the brand is. Or no, you know what it smells like? It smells like blue Jello. That's what it smells like. Which you may love or hate, but I love it. So this, usually twisting products are like gels, but this looks like it's kind of like a cream. I mean, it did say it was a butter, but this is really giving butter, you know? So I just put like, I don't know how much. That much? Maybe more? I don't know. I'm low-key scared because this is so expensive. I hope it turns out. I'm not gonna use any grease, which is very unlike me. Usually I always use grease, but I'm just gonna use the 2 products because that's what she used in her video, and I'm gonna twist it. I think I'm just gonna do them kind of, not small, but pray this works because these were, I cannot stress to you enough how expensive these hair products were in comparison to some of the other stuff that I typically use. So it better work. Well, I'm so serious. My hair better turn out like that girl in the video. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. I'm gonna watch some YouTube based on my friend. Yeah.
Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. I'm parking is so bad. This is just embarrassing. I've never parked this bad before.
Oh, it's okay.
Like, we're probably Annie asked the Q&A. Sure. Better music than I do. I know. I don't listen to music. Oh.
What?
I listen to jazz. I do too. Oh.
Girl, I would pass away if I didn't listen to
I mean, I guess it makes sense because we are.
Hello.
Hey.
Yours. Love the sweater.
Thanks. It's so funny.
Action.
I'm literally, you're in between the legs of my tripod and I'm literally filming myself doing my hair.
Do the most.
Yes.
It's gonna look like you're super eager and excited the whole time you're doing it.
Yeah.
Like, smiling.
They can only make you work 24 hours a week. And one job was like, okay, we're gonna make you work 30. Unpaid. Like, no honorarium, nothing. Like, not even a gift card, like, to Starbucks. So I'm sorry for the dirty mirror and for the phone quality, but my camera, the SD card filled out, so I have to finish this on my phone, but here's the twist. This is what it looks like. I actually really like the products. They're very moisturizing and they smell amazing. Sorry I have to be so quiet. It's nighttime now, but yeah, it took about an hour and a half to twist everything. I think I'm gonna split this one into 2 twists, just to make it a little bit more defined. But yeah, and then I think tomorrow I'm gonna take it out. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a do rag, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Okay, so it's the next day. I finished twisting my hair last night. I think I said that in the update. So initial thoughts just before I take this out. I feel like it's a lot, there's a lot more movement. Usually when I take my twist, like when I sleep on my twists, the next morning they're kind of stiff. So this one, it looks promising. It looks promising. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. I did my makeup already. So yeah, I also was watching, she kind of like separated them. Usually I just go in and undo it and go ham, but I'm gonna try and take my time just to make sure that it comes out really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my twist out and watch some YouTube. So this is my hair looking like immediately after taking the twist. There is so much definition. I'm going to separate it and pick it out, and then I'll come back to finish off the video. But I think so far I'm really liking it, and my hair smells amazing. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just untwisted the sections and I picked it out, and my hair looks so good. This is exactly what I wanted out of my twist out, and it delivered. Not only does it look good, my hair smells literally amazing, and it looks so good. I think throughout the week I'm going to stretch it, so I'm just gonna get even bigger and curlier. Wow, okay. Those products were definitely worth the price that I paid, so how exciting. But yeah, I guess that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more hair content and just other content from me, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I would really appreciate it. We are very close to 400 subscribers, which is insane for me. But yeah, I will leave the product names in the description. If I can find a link, I'll also put the link in the description as well. Wow, we love a good hair day. But with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.